Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your Elite Atlas Aero on your PC. You have to start by open your browser and write Turtle Beach. Now search and you should click download right here near to the official website. Now, right here in the search line, write Elite Atlas, and find it. Click on it, and right here we have this application. So click download, and now open it. Next, accept, next. Now choose where you wanna install it. I'll leave it here. And then click next. Install. Now we should wait. And now click finish. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!